My two cats are eating chicken reveal. They love that stuff. Richard doesn't need it to go in the fridge first. He just eats this stuff right away. He doesn't play games, he just eats it. Harriet always eats the wet food I give her, whatever kind it is. But she eats chicken reveal the fastest and the most. She ate almost all her fish and shrimp, but she didn't finish it yesterday. But when I give her chicken reveal, she finishes it. They both don't eat it all at once. They come back for more after a little break. Thank you for watching.